volume of cone. Before explaining about volume of cone, let's see the figure of cone. So this is how cone looks like, and for finding the volume we need two things, which is the vertical height. So this is the vertical height and the radius. We need two things. One is the vertical height and the radius. We are not checking the slant height, so we don't need this. So for example, if you are looking at this figure, this is the radius and this is the vertical height. So we need these two to find the volume of the cone. Okay, let's see the volume of cone. Volume of cone is similar to volume of cylinder. The formula is pi r square h divided by 3, where pi is approximately 3.14, r is the radius and h is the height. Let's see some examples. Find the volume of cone. Use pi is approximately 3.14 and round to the nearest tenth. What do you mean by round to nearest tenth? Which means we need to write the answer in 1 decimal place. This is what it means. So let's solve it. Here the cone volume is pi r square h divided by 3. So identify r and h. R is what? It is the radius, which is 5, and height is the vertical height, which is given as 10 here, and pi is approximately 3.14. So replace it. So this is approximately 3.14 times 5 square times 10 divided by 3. So this is approximately 3.14. What is 5 square? 5 square is 5 times 5, which is 25. So times 25 times 10 divided by 3. So let's multiply 3.14 times 25 times 10, which is equal to 785 divided by 3, which is equal to approximately 261.666, etc. But here the answer should be in 1 decimal place, so we need to round it. So here you need to stop it. So this is approximately 261.7 cubic unit. This will be the answer. Let's see another question. A snack bar sells popcorn in cone-shaped containers. One container has a diameter of 8 inches and height of 10 inches. How many cubic inches of popcorn does the container hold? Here they are asking how many cubic inches. Cubic inches means you need to find the volume. So let's find the volume of, here it says that it is a cone shaped container. So volume of cone is what? Volume of cone is pi r square h. So let's identify what is r and h. Pi, we know that it is approximately 3.14. Here what is given? Diameter is given as 8 inches. So diameter is 8, which means what is radius? Half of it, 8 divided by 2, which will be 4. Then h is, it's given as 10 inches. So let's replace it. So this will be approximately 3.14 times r is 4, so 4 square times 10, divide by 3. Divide by 3. So this is approximately 3.14 times, what is 4 square? 4 square is 16 times 10 divided by 3. So this is approximately 3.14 times 16 times 10. It is 502.4 divided by 3, which is approximately divided by 3, which is 167.46. So you can say 47 inch cube, because it is inch cube. So this will be the answer. I hope you understand. Thank you.